Hello dear students. Today we are going to learn a very interesting topic and that is fraction. Here we are going to learn about part or parts of a whole. Wow! Yummy, cheesy, tasty pizza. Children, in the first picture you can see a whole pizza and in the second picture a pizza is divided into 6 equal parts. So children, when something is divided into equal parts, each part is called as a fraction. Now children, this is a whole circle and this circle is divided into 4 equal parts. How many equal parts? 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So these parts are called as fractions. This is another example of a whole and fractions. Children, here you can see a whole triangle and in the second picture you can see a triangle is divided into 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3 and 4. How many equal parts there are? There are 4 equal parts. Now children, here is a watermelon in front of you. It has been cut into 2 parts. Look at these 2 parts, children. Are these 2 parts equal in size? No. The 2 parts of the watermelon are unequal. मुलांनो, इथे हे वॉटरमेलन आहे आणि हे वॉटरमेलन 2 पार्ट्समध्ये कट केलेलं आहे आणि इथे आता हे 2 पार्ट्स आहेत. तर आता मला सांगा की हे दोन्ही पार्ट्स इक्वल आहेत का? तर नाही. हे दोन्ही पार्ट्स इक्वल नाही आहेत. हे अनइक्वल आहेत. चिल्ड्रन, दिस इज अ होल पिझ्झा. लेट अस कट इट. Children, can you tell me, are these 2 parts equal? No, these 2 parts are not equal. One part of this pizza is bigger and another part is smaller. Therefore, children, it is very important to understand that when something is not divided or cut into equal parts, it is not considered as a fraction. Children, we have learned that when something is divided into equal parts, each part is called as a fraction. But here, this pizza is not cut into equal parts. That's why this is not considered as a fraction. So children, pieces of watermelon and pieces of pizza are not fractions. Now look at this watermelon, children. This watermelon is cut into 2 equal parts. Now observe these 2 parts and tell me, are these 2 parts equal? Yes, these 2 parts of the watermelon are equal. Children, when something is divided into 2 equal parts, it is a half of that thing. Now observe the pictures given below. Whole, half. Children, this is a whole guava and this is a half of this guava. This is a whole apple and this is half of this apple. A whole cake and this is a half cake. A whole bhakri and this is half of a bhakri. 1/2, figure 1, figure 2, figure 3. Children, what do you observe? In each figure there are 2 equal parts. Children, in this circle we have 2 equal parts. This is 1 and this is 2. And in this rectangle we have 2 equal parts. 1 and 2. And in this triangle we have 2 equal parts, 1 and 2. One of them is shaded. In this circle, this part is shaded, and in this rectangle, this part is shaded, and in this triangle, this part is shaded. Each part is called one half. If something is divided into two equal parts, each part is called as a half. It is also written as 1/2. Shade one half of each figure. मुलांनो, आता इथे 4 फिगर्स दिलेले आहेत. फिगर 1, फिगर 2, फिगर 3 आणि फिगर 4. इथे प्रत्येक फिगरमध्ये आपल्याला हाफ पोर्शनला शेड करायचं आहे. सो लेट्स शेड वन हाफ ऑफ ईच फिगर. फिगर 1, फिगर 2, फिगर 3 and figure 4. Now children, this is a large sheet of kite paper and I want to make 4 kites from it. So I divided this large sheet of paper into 4 equal parts. This is first part, second part, third part and this is fourth part. Then I separated these 4 parts. This is first part, second part, third part and this is fourth part. So children, each of these parts is a quarter of the big sheet of paper. So children, when something is divided into 4 equal parts, each of the part is a quarter of that thing. 1 quarter. Observe the above figures to understand the meaning of quarter. Each figure there are 4 equal parts. One of them is shaded. This shaded portion is called 1 quarter. It is written as 1/4 and read as 1/4. 1 quarter. Color a quarter part of each picture below. Figure 1, Figure 2, Figure 3. मुलांनो, आता इथे काही फिगर्स दिलेले आहेत, हो की नाही? तर या फिगरमध्ये 4 इक्वल पार्ट्स आहेत आणि या 4 इक्वल पार्ट्समध्ये 1/4 पार्टला आपल्याला कलर करायचा आहे. म्हणजेच 1 क्वार्टर पार्टला आपल्याला कलर करायचा आहे. सो इथे आपण 1 क्वार्टर पार्टला कलर केलेला आहे. या फिगरमध्ये सुद्धा आपण 1 क्वार्टर पार्टला कलर केलेला आहे आणि इथे फिगर 3 मध्ये सुद्धा 4 इक्वल पार्ट्स आहेत. सो आपण 1/4 पार्ट म्हणजेच 1 क्वार्टर पार्टला कलर केलेला आहे. नाव लेट्स लर्न अबाउट 3 क्वार्टर्स. होल, हाफ, क्वार्टर and 3 quarters. Children, this is a whole guava. This guava is half of a whole guava. This is a quarter of a guava. And this is a half and a quarter part of a guava. A half and a quarter make 3 quarters. This is a whole apple, children. Half apple, quarter apple, and this is a half and a quarter part of an apple. A half and a quarter make 3 quarters. So this is 3 quarters of an apple. Now children, what do you see in the above figures? Each figure there are 4 equal parts. 3 of them are shaded. So the shaded portion represents 3/4. It is written as 3/4 and read as 3/4. Color 3 quarter means 3/4 part of each picture below. Figure 1, Figure 2 and Figure 3. Whole, half, a quarter and 3 quarters. This is whole apple, half apple, this is a quarter of an apple and this is 3/4. 1/2, 1/4, 3/4 are all fractional numbers. Fraction in parts of collection. Consider this example. Here there are 4 kites. 3 of them are red in color. So 3/4, 3/4 of the kites are red. 1/4, 1/4 of the kites are green. Shade each collection as given. 1/4 means 1/4. 1/2 means 1/2. Let's shade it. 3/4 means 3/4. Let's shade it. 1, 2 and 3. Fractions are written using two numbers separated by a line. For example, 1/2. The number which is written above the line is called as numerator. Here 1 is numerator. The number which is written below the line is called denominator. Here 2 is denominator. Numerator and denominator. So children, numerator is written above the line and denominator is written below the line. Numerator means parts taken and denominator means total parts. Total parts in which the given figure is divided. Now children, in the fraction 1/2, 1 is the numerator and 2 is the denominator. In the fraction 1/4, 1 is the numerator and 4 is the denominator. Now children, you tell me, in the fraction 3/4, what is 3? Yes, 3 is the numerator. And what is 4? Yes, 4 is the denominator. Write the missing numerator and denominator. Children, in figure 1, there are 4 equal parts and 3 parts are colored. So here 3 is numerator and what will be the denominator, children? Yes, 4 is the denominator. Now in figure 2, there are 6 equal parts and 5 parts are colored. So 5 is the numerator and 6 is the denominator. In figure 3, there are 4 equal parts and 3 parts are colored. So here 3 is the numerator and 4 is the denominator. In figure 4, there are 4 equal parts. So 4 is the denominator and 1 part is colored. So 1 is numerator. Now in figure 5, there are 4 equal parts and 2 parts are colored. So 4 is the denominator and 2 is the numerator. Now in figure 6, 2 parts are over here. 1 part is colored. So 1 is numerator and 2 is denominator. Equivalent fraction. Now there are two figures, figure 1 and figure 2. Now children, in figure 1, a circle is divided into 2 equal parts and 1 part is colored. The fraction of colored portion is 1/2. In figure 2, the circle is divided into 4 equal parts and 2 of them are colored. The fraction of the colored portion is 2/4. Children, can you see? The colored portion of 2 circles are the same. So 1 upon 2 and 2 upon 4 are equivalent fractions. Circle the correct fraction from the given choices. Children, here some figures are given and we have to circle the correct fraction from the given choices. So, what will be the correct fraction of this figure, children? Yes, 2 upon 3. In figure 2, there are 4 equal parts and 3 parts are colored. So, what will be the correct fraction from the given choices? Yes, 3 upon 4. In figure 3, there are 6 equal parts and 5 parts are colored. So, what will be the correct fraction from the given choices, children? Yes, 5 upon 6. Now, in figure 4, there are 8 equal parts and 4 parts are shaded. So, what will be the correct fraction from the given choices, children? Yes, 4 upon 8. Say whether the colored and the white parts of the figures below are a quarter, a half or 3/4. मुलांनो, इथे काही फिगर्स दिलेले आहेत आणि आपल्याला कलर्ड पार्ट जो आहे तो किती आहे आणि व्हाईट पार्ट किती आहे ते राईट करायचं आहे. सो फर्स्ट फिगर colored part half, so 1 upon 2 and white part also half, so 1 upon 2. Now in second figure, colored part a quarter means 1 upon 4 and white part 3/4, so 3 upon 4. In figure 3, there are 2 colored parts and 4 white parts, so colored part 2 upon 4 and white part is also half, so it is 2 upon 4. Now in figure 4, colored part 3/4 means 3 upon 4 and white part a quarter means 1 upon 4. Now let's observe next picture, next figure. So over here 4 parts are given and 2 parts are colored. So colored part half means 2 upon 4 and white part half means 2 upon 4. Now in this figure, colored part 3/4 means 3 upon 4 and white part a quarter means 1 upon 4. So that's all for today, children. We will meet again in our next video. Till then, keep learning, keep enjoying. Bye bye.